right, today I'm going to demonstrate how to mount your watercolor painting onto a hard canvas board such as this using Mod Podge spray and Mod Podge liquid. No matte, no glass, no reflection. Step number one is to use Mod Podge spray. Spray it 2 to 3 times. I recommend 3 times with 20-minute dry time between sprays. This is your spray Mod Podge. The painting has been sprayed with spray Mod Podge. The next step is to cover it with liquid Mod Podge using a brush. So here we go. The color has been locked in with the spray Mod Podge, enabling me to seal it with liquid Mod Podge as I'm doing right now. Mod Podge does not dull. I've been doing this technique for over 20 years, and this is the way I seal it, mount it, and display it, much like you display an oil painting. You can even see brush strokes when this is dry. All right, I've sealed the painting with liquid Mod Podge, spread it on the artwork. Now the next step is to put Mod Podge on the back and Mod Podge on the front of this hardboard. The hard canvas board using Mod Podge. Here we go. All right, I have Mod Podge on the back of the picture, and I have Mod Podge onto the hard canvas board. Of course, before you do this, make sure that it fits onto the hard canvas board. Wipe with a wet cloth. This gets rid of any Mod Podge that came up over the sides. Take a brayer. This really anchors it. Make sure you get along the sides. Now we put a board over it, or we put paper over it, put a hard board. And then something heavy on it. I'll be back. All right, here's the finished product. I've taken the board and the heavy cinder block that was on this to get this all set up. All this color is now locked in. You could spill coffee on this, water, whatever, it would wipe up. There would be no harm to the painting. And also Mod Podge does not dull. I've been using this technique for over 20 years, and I've got paintings on the wall that look exactly the same after 20 years using this Mod Podge technique. It is now permanently affixed to this hard canvas board, and I reduced this 8 by 10 watercolor print from an 18 by 14 original watercolor just so I could get it in the camera. So, finished product. You can now put it in a frame. As you can see, no matte, no glass, no reflections. Have a wonderful day.